welcome to my channel. I am Shauna Janee. I'm apparently new to making YouTube videos. This is my first. I'm going to be doing a soft fall look. Nice little shiny eye, you know, in the crease. So now that my face is moisturized, I'm going to go in with the NYX eyebrow pencil. Purchased this at CVS. So now I'm going to go in and highlight the brows, the angle brush. Regular angle brush. Okay, so now that my brows are complete, I'm going to go in with this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil Milk. What that looks like, you can kind of get a turn. So once I go in with my lid, with the milk, this is my MAC palette. I got it online. And I'm going to go in with this. This is a brush from Real Techniques. Go in with this color right here. And I'm just gonna go over my lip crease. Now I'm going to go in with this, the Nubian by JUVIA. This palette is like, I love this palette so much. And I'm going to shade in this, the eyelid. Do you see that a little bit? Okay. So now I'm gonna take my NYX again, and I'm going to grab a cute little flat brush to lay that on my base. This is a cute little brush that I have. Going over my lid like that. Then I go in another flat brush, light metallic-y color right there. I love this color. Oh yeah. Girl, stop. Do you see that? I didn't even put the line on. Stop playing. So I'm going to repeat with the second lid. Okay. I'm going to go do my face now. Yes, yes. Okay. Yes. Do you see how defined this cheek is? Oh, do you see that? Highlight is like life. Oh my gosh. That is too long. Oh no. Okay. Boom. Yes, girl. It takes time to do stuff like this. Okay. Finally got that wing liner. Got my tweezers. So now that my lashes are like one. So now I'm going to be going in with this Tarte lid. No, Tarte. I'm sorry, ladies. Tarte. Going in with this Tarte mascara. See that bottom lash? Hunty. The bottom lash is done. Lip liner. MAC. I like it, so I'm going in with it, okay? And then I'm going to go in with this Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick in the color Virginity. Love this stuff. Love this stuff. I know what you're thinking. It's hella bright and very pasty looking, but you have to like blend it. And this is gonna be your look, honey. Setting spray, the lip gloss. subscribing, and I'll be back with more videos to come. Have a great evening. Bye.